Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
It's Evelyn, Andrea.
Hi, Evelyn and Andrea.
Here's a fresh towel for you.
Thank you.
Freshen up.
Oh, perfect. I didn't shower, so this is great.
And some coconut water.
Oh, thank you so much. Are you having one with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my God.
Welcome to Alang Alang.
So Karina, this is one of my favorite styles. Can you explain how you came to this?
Yes, Tony, the owner, he's a longtime surfer. He traveled a lot to Bali, chasing waves before he began visiting Costa Rica. Decided to build this house in 2008, where he could watch the surf from his terrace.
Sounds like a smart guy. It's got this Indonesian style. It's kind of a tiki style for me.
Yes.
I love.
The style blends with nature perfectly, and the open floor plan makes you feel like you're right on the jungle. That's a traditional thatch roof from Bali.
Right?
That dried grass is Alang Alang. That's why the house is named Alang Alang.
Alang Alang. All right, so just walking around here, it's so massive.
8 bedrooms, 8.5 bathrooms.
Wow.
So we sleep up to 19 people.
19 people.
19 people.
So the primary is way up top.
It's way up top. It's the one with the best view. It's a giant bedroom with its own giant bathroom. We have a beautiful, massive bathtub. We have 3 guest bedrooms with king size as well.
Wow.
And then we have the kids' room, 2 more here with a king bed, 2 twin, to an apartment attached with a little kitchenette and studio. So total 8 bedrooms.
And then I'm seeing a gym, outdoor showers. So these terraces are beautiful. Plenty of space to lounge.
Yes, of course. Many places to relax. You have the hammocks, the masseuse, so we'll set you up with a massage.
Oh, okay.
Most of our clients are multi-generational families.
Right.
So they have different terraces to relax. 2 pools. This pool is big enough and deep enough so you can jump from over there.
You can jump from here. Here?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
And you can try it.
I'm going to try. Oh, I'm doing that later.
We have 2 refrigerators that are very large because for 19 people you need a lot of food.
Right.
Chef service is available. We work with the best in the area. And then the dining area and a nice living room with another terrace where you can just relax with a drink and enjoy.
This home feels like a resort.
It does.
But we're in a town where you can actually immerse yourself in culture, not just be stuck on a resort.
Yes. The beach and town are only a 5-minute walk away.
Oh, okay.
Most clients like to rent golf carts too. It's a really nice and fun way to move around town.
Right.
You can go shopping, go to the spa, go surfing, enjoy the beach, and clubs.
Clubs?
So you have to go and check them out. Yes,
like
have a
disco
drink.
nightclubs.
Yes.
I mean, that's not for me. So since we're so close to the town of Tamarindo, I'm
Yes.
gonna go check that out later.
Of course.
But before I do that, I'm gonna jump in the pool.
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. Do it.
All right. Thank you so much for everything. Cheers.
You're welcome.
And
Cheers.
I'll see you somewhere, either at the bottom, the top, or in town.